Welcome to the All-Star Real Estate Market Minute with April Osborne. Hey, thanks for joining me for the Upstate Real Estate Market Minute. We've got our September numbers back. Things are exactly where we expected them to be. They're a little bit down from the last few months, but it's to be expected because school started. You've got things you're doing, your kids have things they're doing, and real estate is just not on the priority list for a lot of people. So we always see numbers down this time of year. However, Greater Greenville market, I would describe your September as spectacular. New listings, they were up almost 10% over 2018. The total closed sales, up almost 22%. The amount of time homes are spending on the market, 49, but we know that in a lot of cases it's much less time than that. But the big story for the month is the median sales price, $217,250. That is up almost $10,000 from last September. Now the greater Anderson area, if I had to describe you, it would be ghoulishly delightful. Things are not bad in the greater Anderson area. New listings, they're flat from last year to this year if you're looking from January to September. Total closed sales, up just a hair over last year, but again flat from January to September 18 and 19. The amount of time homes are spending on the market, 82 days. That's down from 95 in August and 104 last September. But again, the big story, the median sales price, it's up almost $7,000 over last year. So you're thinking about getting into the real estate market, you're like, April, numbers are good, but tell me what this means for me. So here's what it means for buyers. You've got to be patient. We're going into a slower time of year, and there aren't going to be as many homes coming on the market quite as quickly. So you've just got to be patient until you find what you're looking for. Now, if you're looking in the $300,000 and less range, then when you find what you're looking for, you can't dilly-dally around. You've got to make a decision. Otherwise, you're going to lose it. But the biggest takeaway, I think, is now is a good time to actually buy because the low mortgage rates can help offset the rising prices. You are going to see, I would think, low mortgage rates into the spring of next year, but I don't expect them to drop anymore next year. They may drop one more time before the end of this year. So use that to your advantage and buy a house before the end of the year. Now, sellers, if you're thinking about putting your house on the market, you're not going to have as much competition because, like I said, for buyers, homes aren't coming on quite as quickly in the fourth quarter. However, it does not mean that you can be lazy. You still have to make your house look good and put your best foot forward so you can get the most money possible. If you're priced above the $300,000 mark, my advice to you is to be patient. There aren't quite as many people looking in those price ranges. The higher you go, the fewer buyers there are. Be patient. The right buyer will find you. Finally, talking about rising prices, don't overprice your house. I don't expect prices to rise all that much between now and spring of 2020, which is weird to say, by the way, but I don't. And so therefore, if you want to sell your home in a timely manner, don't overprice it. So I've got more numbers and more details on the blog for the September Market Minute. Just visit our website, www.allstarrealestatesc.com.